switch is broken, but it's still there. Just needs a C-clip and wired in, but these need to be wired in again. So it's a 1-speed. Technically it's supposed to have a speed coil, but I think this was the 1-speed model because the switch is only on off. I think there was 2 different models, but the blades are slightly off. They need to be balanced with weights because something's wrong with the blades. They warped. Oop. There we go. Switch was just rattling. .7 amps, which is on the spec. See, it's off balance. Moves a lot of air. I would definitely balance it before I use it, but it's a great air mover. Has a ton of blade pitch and it moves a lot of air. I think the original moves a little more, but I have not serviced it, but it was taken apart a long time ago by another fan collector, which is why it has a brass bottom to it. But these blades aren't technically original to this model, but they are in a lot better shape. They're the same blades that would have been on it. The original blades were really rough and they were actually broken. So this is from a Trojan model, which is ran the same time as this fan. But it's a very nice fan. And I would keep this, but I don't have the space for one of these. So whoever the next owner is will most likely either use it on a wall control or have that original snap switch repaired. But even without being serviced recently, it actually spins down pretty well, so it's in honestly really good shape. If you just paint the top canopy so it's white and maybe the blade brackets, it actually looks really nice. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.